How to blur your background in FaceTime. First, make sure your iPhone supports portrait mode in FaceTime. It works on iPhone XR or later running iOS 15 or newer. Open the FaceTime app, start or join a video call like your normal would. Once you're in, look at the top left corner on the bottom of your screen for video effect. Tap your video tile to expand it. Then, tap the portrait mode icon. It looks like a little person silhouette. Your background will instantly blur while your face stays sharp and clear. You can also swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Then, tap Video Effects, Portraits while you're on the FaceTime call. If you need to turn it off, just tap the portrait icon again and your background will go back to normal. And that's it!